Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club. We're going to start off a little different this week, and we'll look at a Bitcoin chart. And as it fought hard to stay around the $30,000 level, as you can see right now, trading as I record this about 29,976.24. And unfortunately, it fell below last week. We had talked about watching that $34,000 level. What broke through that over the weekend and can you continue to trade lower this week, trading actually as low as 25,401.05 yesterday on Thursday, and that's its lowest level it's traded at since December of 2020. So we have a new line in the sand that we need to take a look at, and we'll draw it on here with our trend line tool, and get it right here. There we go. Turn that off. As you can see, back in early 2021, it traded right around 29,000. Again, right here back in July of 2021, the same thing, bounced back up. And we've hit that level this week, trading right below, trading at 29,975. So we're going to have to see if it can maintain this level through the weekend. Into next week, we might see a bit of a bounce back. However, if we continue lower and we can't stay above that $29,000 level, $29,000, $30,000, then we may see a continual move lower for Bitcoin. So something to keep an eye on as we move through the weekend. Take this off real quick, clear it up. Chart analysis score currently stands at -90, indicating that overall we are in a long-term downtrend for Bitcoin, and our key level to watch is going to be 40,800. A move above that level would issue a new green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. So we'll back out of here. As we usually do on a Friday, we'll start with the S&P 500. We'll actually clean this chart back up. We'll go back to a candlestick, and instead of being on a 2-year, we'll pull it in a 6-month, and we'll change this to weekly, and we'll turn off the moving averages so we get a little clearer picture of what we got going on. As you see, the S&P 500 traded down 2.41% on the week, trading at 40,023.89. With a chart analysis score -90, indicating that overall we're still in a long-term downtrend and marking its 6th straight week of weekly losses for the S&P 500. Key level to watch would be 4,308.45. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dollar index continuing to gain strength, moving higher, trading above $104 at 104.91, up 1.21% on the week, marking its 6 straight weeks of gains to the upside, with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that overall we are in a long-term uptrend for the US dollar. Key level to watch should be 101.04. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones continuing lower, suffered its 7th straight week of weekly losses, closed trading at 32,196.66, down 2.14% on the week, with a chart analysis score at -90, indicating that overall we are still in that long-term downtrend for the Dow. Key level to watch is 34,117.74. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a sidelines position for the Dow. Not to be outdone, the NASDAQ suffering its 6th straight week of losses, closed trading at 11,805 even, down 2.8% on the week, with a chart analysis score -90, indicating that overall we are still in that long-term downtrend for NASDAQ. Key level to watch should be 13,011.45. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back, a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Take a look at gold, continuing to come under pressure, which is surprising to some, down 3.92% on the week, trading at a low of 1,809.10, with a chart analysis score -70, indicating that overall we are in a short-term downtrend for gold, although it is gaining strength towards the longer-term trend with the 4th straight week of losses. Key level to watch would be 1,858. $1.80. A move above that level would give us a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term sidelines position for gold. And we'll get up here and take a look at crude oil. We'll wrap it up with that. Currently about flat for the week, trading at 110.46 with a chart analysis score plus 75, indicating that we're in a sidelines position across all time frames for crude oil. Key level to watch would be 104.21. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term short position for crude oil. We can also take a look at 111.18. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for crude oil, and that would push the chart analysis score up to plus 100, indicating that what would be a long-term uptrend. With that, every success, have a great weekend, and we'll be back next week with a market update.